Have you ever felt that surge of power when you lift something heavy? That feeling of accomplishment? That's the magic of strength training. Powerlifting takes this to the next level, focusing on 3 fundamental lifts: the squat, bench press, and deadlift. These exercises are not just about building muscle, they're about building a stronger you, inside and out. Whether you're a complete beginner or have dabbled in weightlifting, this guide will provide you with the basics to start your powerlifting journey. We'll break down each lift, step by step, ensuring you understand the correct form and technique. Remember, powerlifting is for everyone, regardless of age, gender, or fitness level. It's about challenging yourself, pushing your limits, and discovering the incredible strength you possess. So, are you ready to unleash your inner powerhouse? Let's get started. Powerlifting revolves around 3 fundamental compound movements: the squat, bench press, and deadlift. These exercises are called compound because they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them incredibly effective for building overall strength and muscle mass. The squat is a lower body powerhouse, targeting your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Imagine sitting back into a chair and standing up. That's the basic movement of a squat. The bench press focuses on your upper body, primarily your chest, shoulders, and triceps. It involves lying on your back and pressing a weight upwards. Lastly, the deadlift is the king of compound exercises, working your entire body from head to toe. Imagine picking up a heavy object from the ground. That's the essence of a deadlift. These 3 lifts form the core of powerlifting, and mastering them will unlock a world of strength and fitness benefits. The squat is often called the king of exercises for a reason. It's a fundamental movement pattern that mimics everyday actions like sitting and standing. Mastering the squat not only builds incredible lower body strength, but also improves mobility, balance, and core stability. Here's how to perform a proper squat. First, starting position. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards. Keep your back straight and core engaged. Second, downward movement. Initiate the squat by pushing your hips back as if you're about to sit in a chair. Keep your chest up and back straight throughout the movement. Third, bottom position. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground or slightly below. Ensure your knees track over your toes. Fourth, upward movement. Drive through your heels, pushing your hips forward to return to the starting position. Keep your core engaged and back straight. Remember, practice makes perfect. Start with light weights or even just your body weight to get the form right. As you get stronger, gradually increase the weight. The bench press is a classic upper body exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. It's a fantastic movement for building pushing strength and developing a strong, defined upper body. Here's how to perform a bench press with proper technique. First, starting position. Lie flat on your back on a bench, feet flat on the floor. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width apart with an overhand grip. Second, downward movement. Slowly lower the barbell towards your chest, keeping your elbows slightly tucked in. Aim for the barbell to touch your chest around the nipple line. Third, upward movement. Push the barbell back up to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Avoid locking out your elbows at the top. It's crucial to start with a weight that challenges you, but allows you to maintain proper form. Don't be afraid to ask for a spotter, especially when lifting heavier weights. Section 5. Dominating the deadlift full body power. The deadlift is the ultimate test of full body strength. It engages more muscles than any other exercise, working your back, legs, core, and even your grip. Mastering the deadlift not only builds incredible power, but also improves posture, stability, and functional strength for everyday life. Here's a step-by-step guide to performing a conventional deadlift. First, the starting position. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, the barbell over your midfoot. Bend at your hips, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Next, grip the barbell. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width apart, with one hand overhand and the other underhand, using an alternating grip. Now, lift the weight. Keeping your back straight and core tight, lift the barbell off the ground by extending your hips and knees simultaneously. Finally, lower the weight. Slowly lower the barbell back to the ground, maintaining control throughout the movement. The deadlift is a technical lift, so it's crucial to start with light weights and focus on proper form before increasing the weight. Reaping the rewards. Benefits beyond strength. Powerlifting isn't just about lifting heavy weights, it's about transforming your body and mind. The benefits extend far beyond increased strength and muscle mass. Improved body composition. Powerlifting helps build muscle and burn calories, leading to a more toned and sculpted physique. Increased bone density. Lifting weights puts stress on your bones, which stimulates them to become stronger and denser, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Enhanced metabolism. Building muscle mass boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Improved mood and confidence. Powerlifting releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Achieving your fitness goals can also significantly boost your self-confidence. Powerlifting is not just about physical transformation. It's about building mental resilience, discipline, and a powerful sense of accomplishment. Safety first. Lifting with confidence. Safety is paramount in powerlifting. While it's a rewarding and empowering activity, it's crucial to prioritize your well-being and prevent injuries. Here are some essential safety tips for beginners. Warm up properly. Always start your workout with a proper warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints for the workout ahead. Use proper form. Maintaining correct form throughout each lift is crucial to prevent injuries. Focus on quality over quantity. Start light and progress gradually. Don't rush to lift heavy weights. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase the load as you get stronger. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body and any signs of pain or discomfort. Don't push through pain. Rest and recover when needed. Remember, powerlifting is a journey, not a race. Prioritize your safety, be patient with your progress, and enjoy the process. Your powerlifting journey begins now. You've learned about the big 3 lifts, the proper form, the benefits, and the safety precautions. Now, it's time to put that knowledge into action. Find a gym, hire a qualified trainer, or start with bodyweight exercises at home. The key is to start. Take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. You don't have to lift heavy weights right away. Start where you are and gradually work your way up. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Embrace the learning process, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. Your powerlifting adventure awaits. Embrace the challenge, transform your body. Powerlifting is more than just a form of exercise. It's a journey of self-discovery. It's about pushing your limits, overcoming challenges, and realizing your true strength. It's about transforming your body and mind, one rep at a time. So, embrace the challenge. Step into the gym with confidence and unleash the powerhouse within you. Remember, you are stronger than you think. Now, go out there and lift some weights.